Struggling to find the best essential oils for your skin type? Whether it's oiliness, dryness, or breakouts, we've got you covered. Stick around because I'm about to share the best essential oils to keep your skin balanced and feeling its best naturally. If your skin feels dry, tight, or irritated, these oils might be your new besties. Blue Tansy is a skin-loving superhero. Camazuline gives this oil its deep blue color and its ability to keep skin feeling calm and comfortable. Frankincense, the glow-up oil. This one's a total game changer for keeping skin looking radiant and refreshed. It's like a little boost for your natural glow. Rose geranium, hydration without heaviness. It helps skin hold on to moisture while keeping things balanced, so you get softness, not shininess. Oily skin, your goal isn't to strip away the oil. It's to find balance. These oils help your skin feel fresh, not greasy. Grapefruit is like a fresh squeeze for your skin. Naturally rich in antioxidants, grapefruit gives skin that clean, refreshed feeling without clogging pores. Lemon essential oil. Bye-bye greasy T-zone. A natural astringent, it helps keep shine in check while keeping pores a little less noticeable. Tea tree, your skin's personal bodyguard. Loved for its purifying properties, tea tree helps skin feel balanced and refreshed. Breakouts? Been there. These oil help keep your skin looking clear so you can feel confident. Cedarwood Atlas, balancing and breakout busting. This essential oil keeps excess oil in check, making it a solid go-to for clearer skin. Copaiba, the chill-out oil for stressed-out skin. Rich in beta-carotene, it helps keep skin feel calm and balanced, especially when things start to feel irritated. Pine, a fresh start to your day. Naturally refreshing, pine helps maintain a clear, healthy-looking complexion. Want that dewy, healthy glow? These oils are your new glow-up squad. German chamomile, soothe it, smooth it, glow it. Camazuline gives this oil its deep blue color and its ability to keep skin feeling calm and refreshed. Lavender, the all-around skin saver. It's like a spa moment in a bottle, helping skin feel soft, smooth, and totally pampered. Palmarosa, the Moisture Locking Pro. Naturally rich in geraniol, it helps skin stay hydrated and feeling fresh. There you have it, essential oils for every skin type. Want more natural skincare tips? Grab our free cheat sheet, the ultimate guide to natural DIY skincare. The link is in the description. Like, share, and subscribe for more. What's your go-to essential oil? Comment below. I want to hear it.